Hello, shalom and welcome to how to pronounce and say in Hebrew. And in this video, I will teach you some useful daily expressions. So in Hebrew, expressions, bituim, right? This is the noun. Daily, yom yomim, it relates the adjective to the noun. So this is plural, yom yomim. And useful, shimushim. Let's start with the basics. As you can see, I give you two options, one with nikud, one without nikud, because I thought that it's about time you started to recognize and read without nikud, so you will get used to it. Because our main goal here, that in the future you will be able to read without nikud. So, without further ado, good morning is boker tov. Boker tov. Boker is male singular, so this is why tov here is the adjective. This is the way to say an adjective to male singular. Good afternoon. So this is something you say at about from 12 o'clock noon until 2, I guess. Tzoraim tovim. So as you can see, this is plural, male plural. Tzoraim tovim. And here you see vav, because this is not kamatz regular. This is kamatz katan, so the sound is O. Tzoraim tovim. And good evening is erev tov. Erev tov. And good night you say laila tov. Laila tov. You have probably noticed that boker here is with cholam chaser, and here tov with cholam maleh. But there is vav and nikud, so you ask yourself, why here no vav and here there is a vav? So the answer is, and this is so in the Bible, because the word tov in the Bible is with vav. So it's the regular answer that my professor at the university used to say when we asked him about rules and things in Hebrew. Because this is so in the Bible. So because kacha, ze, is in the Bible, bamikra. Kacha ze bamikra. This is so in the Bible. The meaning of the word shalom is peace, and it is also a greeting. Whenever you see someone, you can tell him shalom, hello, right? And whenever you say goodbye to someone, you can also use the word shalom. So shalom, shalom, shalom. When you know that you are going to see this someone again, you can say, see you, lehitraot. And if you're going to see him quite soon or very soon, you can say, lehitraot bekarov. Lehitraot is from the shoresh ra'ah, lir'ot. Reish aleph, hey, or yod. Lehitraot, ra'ah. And bekarov, that is soon. So, leitraot bekarov. Go in peace. So this is a bit tricky, and I think that most Israelis don't know this. You can see lech b'shalom, lech l'shalom, bet or lamed. So, and actually you say this to a man, right? Lech b'shalom, lech l'shalom, and to a woman, lechi b'shalom, lechi l'shalom. And if there are 2 or 3 or more, lechu b'shalom, lechu l'shalom. So what is the difference? This is the positive wish when you talk to someone and you want him to come back, right? And you know that he is coming back. So, lech leshalom. But if you are saying goodbye to someone who has died, so it will never come back, then you say lech beshalom. And if he comes back, and you want him to come back, right? Lech leshalom. And the same to a woman, lechi beshalom, she has died. Lechi leshalom, she is going on a journey. And the same, lechu beshalom, lechu leshalom. Good day, Yom Tov. So we learned the adjective Tov, and this you can say to someone instead of Shalom. You wish him a good day. So Yom Tov. And Bon Appetit, right before the meal, you say Beteavon. So Yom Tov, Beteavon. And when this someone has come back, so welcome back or welcome in Hebrew, if you're talking to a man, singular, right? Baruch haba. Baruch haba. Haba, the one who came, right? And Baruch, welcome. And if you're talking to a woman, Brucha haba'ah. Brucha haba'ah. And if you're talking to men, plural, Bruchim haba'im. Bruchim haba'im. And when you're talking to more than one woman, so to women, Bruchot haba'ot. Bruchot haba'ot. Baruch, or Brucha, or Bruchim, or Bruchot, is from the verb, the shoresh, bet, resh, chaf, sofit. Levarech is to bless. And haba is from the verb lavo, to come, lavo. So together it is a very nice combination. Welcome home. So home is bait, but in this expression, habaita. So Baruch haba, habaita. Brucha haba'a, habaita. Bruchim haba'im, habaita. Bruchot habaot, habaita. Thank you is toda. Toda is feminine singular. And thanks a lot or many thanks is toda rabba. Toda rabba, because a toda noun is feminine, so the adjective is rabba. And here, hamon toda, as you can see, many thanks, so it is also a lot. You can also say hamon toda. And if you want to be very polite, you can say toda rabba me'od. Toda rabba me'od. And if you want to be more polite, after someone said toda rabba, but you think that it was very easy for you to help, right? It didn't cost you a thing. You can say alo davar. Alo davar. Davar is a thing, and lo is like no, but the expression is alo davar, because it was like nothing to you. So, thank you, alo davar. Bevakasha is a very useful word, and sometimes it helps you a lot and opens many doors. So you can see that in English, please, certainly, by all means, be my guest, go ahead, with pleasure. And all this in one word in Hebrew, bevakasha. Bevakasha, as you see, the origin of the word is the verb levakesh. Bet kof shin. Levakesh, but bevakasha. So it's like it's like please, 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 bevakasha, bevakasha, bevakasha. Or you open the door and you make a gesture of someone to enter before you. It's like please, bevakasha. So it's a very useful word. Another important word, slicha. So, excuse me or I'm sorry in one word, slicha. So, for example, if you bump into someone in the street, you say, Oy slicha. And if you want to go through a crowd and it's very crowded, right? So you say, Oy slicha, slicha, slicha. And then you can go and make your way like this. Ani mitzta'er. If you're a man and you're saying this, right? So ani mitzta'er. And ani mitzta'eret, if you're a woman, this is what you say. Ani mitzta'eret. This is the way to say I'm sorry. Ani mitzta'eret. Ani mitzta'er. How are you? So if you're asking a woman, you will ask Ma shlomech. Ma shlomech. You remember the word shalom? So you can see shalom, but your shalom, hashalom shalach. So ma shlomech. And when you're talking to a man, ma shlomcha. Ma shlomcha. And the answer to this, so you can answer shlomi tov, hashalom sheli tov, shlomi tov. Or you can say Tov toda. Yes, this is very in fashion these days. Tov toda. Like, good, thank you. How's it going? Ech holech. Ech holech. Holech is from the verb halach. Hey lamed chav sofit. Ech holech. You can answer holech tov or just tov toda. What's new? Ma chadash. Ma chadash. Chadash is new. What's up? That's more of a slang, but it is very, very casual. You can ask this too. So, ma nishma. Nishma is from the verb lishmoa, to hear, to listen. Shin mem ein. Ma nishma. Ma kore. Kore is from the verb likrot. Kof reish hey. Ma kore. What's happening? Like this. Ma ha'inyanim. Inyanim is from inyan. It's from business. But here you can say ma inyanim. Ma ha'matzav. Matzav is situation. But you can also ask ma ha'matzav. So ma nishma, ma kore, ma inyanim, ma ha'matzav. And sometimes people say this instead of shalom. It's like they're not really want to know what is happening with you or what is or how is it going with you. Just ma nishma instead of shalom, and then they go and walk away and never look back, like this. Yes in Hebrew is ken. So if someone asks you, would you like some ice cream? Ken. Would you like to go home? Ken. But if someone says ken, it's like, yeah, right. And no is lo. Sure is betach. Would you like some ice cream? אתה רוצה גלידה? בטח, בטח. And why not? למה לא? למה לא? That's okay. זה בסדר. You can say this, for example, if someone bumped into you and you want to reassure him that you're fine, זה בסדר. Another way to say that everything is fine and you're okay, no problem, אין בעיה. Is the house on fire? No, אין בעיה. Everything is okay. אין בעיה. Nice to meet you in Hebrew is na'im lehakir. So the nice is na'im. And lehakir, it's not meet. Lehakir is more to know someone, to recognize someone, but the expression is na'im lehakir. We have two options for congratulations. Mazal tov. So tov, we learned this. Tov is good, and mazal is luck or fortune. So mazal tov. Or you can say brachot. This is the exact translation for congratulations. Brachot. So mazal tov, brachot. Brachot is from the verb levarech. Shoresh barach. Bet reish chaf. Mazal tov, brachot. Mazal tov lanu. Congratulations for us. Another video is over. And as always, I will see you in the next video. להתראות בסרטון הבא. Bye.